Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with a regular recipe. With warmth and varieties, we have multiple ways to prepare a single dish. So today let's dwell into the South Indian cuisine and prepare one of the most popular dishes. Udipi Rasam is a wonderful dish to offer our Lord. With wonderful blend of native spices cooked with dal, this rasam has a unique flavor of ingredients. This Udupi rasam is so welcoming and delicious. So let's get started. First take 1/3 cup of tur dal in a cooker. Add water and wash it well. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups of water. Cover the lid and cook the dal for 3 whistles on low flame. Let's prepare the masala. Add 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of fenugreek seed. Mix it on low flame. Add 3 dried Kashmiri red chilies, some curry leaves. Roast all the ingredients until they turn crispy. This rasam is such a soothing dish for regular or any day. After 2 minutes they have roasted well. Turn off the flame and cool them completely. After it cools, transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it. This is ready. Mix it once. Now add half a cup of water and grind it into a smooth paste. Rasam masala paste is ready. Keep it aside. It has been half an hour. The cooker has cooled. Churn the dal once. The dal have boiled so well. Keep it aside. Here I have soaked 1 big lemon size of tamarind in 1/4 cup of water for 1 hour. Now mix all this well and take out the pulp. Tamarind pulp is ready. Next heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a kadai. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Keep the flame low. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Add some curry leaves and 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Add salt as per your taste. I have listed down all the ingredients with their measurements in the description box below. You can refer it. Cook it until the tomatoes turn mushy. After 5 minutes, you can see the tomatoes have softened. Add 3 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and the masala paste that we have prepared. Add another half a cup of water in a mixie jar. Add the water and the boiled dal. 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Mix all this well. Add another 3 cups of water. Mix and boil it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Boil it until you see froth on the rasam. It has been total 10 minutes and our rasam is ready. You can see its consistency. Turn off the flame and let's temper it. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee on low flame. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 dried red chilies. Let them roast on low flame. Add some curry leaves and turn off the flame. Temper the rasam. Garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves, and with this our authentic Udipi rasam is ready. Here I am serving it with steamed rice. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. Srila Prabhupada says, we can understand that prasadam offered to Krishna never becomes polluted or contaminated, even if it is thrown on the ground. The people therefore collect it and eat with great satisfaction. Krishna Book 24. If you like prasad recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any prasad recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.